Here I have DOOGEE V Max, and today I'm going to show you how to format SD card on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open Files application, then you have to switch to the SD card section here, tap on three dots and select Storage Settings. Then select Format, tap Format SD card, and after a few seconds your device will format SD card and it will be ready to be used and new. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.